today. I am a hot mess, and when I say hot, I mean hot. It is humid here today in Tennessee, and I have been cleaning. We've got some company coming in from Ohio for a visit this afternoon. Danny and I got in the kitchen yesterday afternoon, and we prepared a dinner for a friend, and we made some potato salad. Now, I had a request for a potato salad recipe, and you know who you are, and this video is for you. This is how my husband makes it, and it is so good.
We are using 8 medium-sized Idaho potatoes. Go ahead and wash them, and then you will dice them into cubes. Put them in a strainer, wash them thoroughly, place them in a large pan, put it on the stovetop eye, cover it with water, turn that stovetop eye onto medium. This will cook about 30 minutes. When you can stick a fork in it, you know it's done. Go ahead and put them back in the strainer, run cold water on them. Then you want to make absolutely sure you get all of the water out of these. You'll need a large mixing bowl. Go ahead and put those potatoes in that mixing bowl. Add a little salt, a little pepper. Now, for those of you who like an absolute recipe, we don't have one. We gradually add our ingredients and taste test it as we go. Grab some mayonnaise of your choice. We're using Blue Plate. I like Duke's too, but add 3 heaping tablespoons. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of yellow mustard, about 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Not everyone in our family likes the texture of onion, but you can add an actual onion to this. Now add a 1/2 cup of sweet pickle relish. We are going to start folding those ingredients into those potatoes. Now, some people prefer more mustard, what we call a mustard potato salad, and some people do not. You do you, and we are going to taste this to see what it tastes like. And we're going to do us. We are adding 2 more heaping tablespoons of pickle relish and 1 heaping tablespoon of mayo. Let's fold that in, and then we're going to grab another clean spoon and taste it again. Okay, so we need some onion powder. I am adding a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And now a little salt. Don't you just love my salt shaker? My friend Sharon gave me that. And now we're going to fold that in. Let's taste it maybe one more time. And in comes my hubby with a spoon. He says add 2 more heaping tablespoons of pickle relish and 1 tablespoon of mayo. This is actually his recipe. He makes the potato salad at our house, and I'm just the taste tester. Okay, one last taste test, I promise. And voila, it's done. Top it with some paprika to add a smoky flavor and to make this dish look extra special.